Welcome back to SmartLink Basics, your go-to source for mastering Excel functions and boosting your productivity. In today's tutorial, we'll explore the Excel sequence function. This versatile function allows you to generate a list of sequential numbers in an array, making it easy to create numbered lists, fill in data series, or generate indexes. Let's jump right in. First, let's understand the syntax of the sequence function. The rows argument is the number of rows to fill with sequential numbers. The columns argument is optional and specifies the number of columns. The start argument is optional and specifies the starting number. The step argument is optional and specifies the increment. Open your Excel workbook and select the sheet where you want to use the sequence function. Generating a simple sequence. Select the cell where you want the sequence to begin. We'll use cell A1. Enter the formula equals sequence 10 and press enter. The result will be a sequence of numbers from 1 to 10 in column A. Generating a sequence across multiple columns. Select the cell where you want the sequence to begin. Enter the formula equals sequence 5, 2 and press enter. The result will be a 5 by 2 array of sequential numbers from 1 to 10. Starting from a specific number, select the cell where you want the sequence to begin. Enter the formula equals sequence 10, 1, 5, and press enter. The result will be a sequence of numbers from 5 to 14 in column D. Incrementing by a specific step. Select the cell where you want the sequence to begin. Enter the formula equals sequence 10, 1, 1, 2, and press enter. The result will be a sequence of numbers from 1 to 19 in column F, increment by 2. And that's it. You now know how to use the sequence function in Excel to efficiently generate sequential numbers and create organized data series. We hope this tutorial helps you master date formulas in Excel. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, SmartLink Basics, for more tutorials and tips.